Do you think most foreigners come to the Philippines for love or for something easier than back home? If a foreigner says the Philippines was a letdown, do you think the problem is the country or their expectations? When foreigners complain about the Philippines, what complaints make you roll your eyes? What is your name and how old are you?
I'm Aliana and I'm 18 years old.
So, Aliana, here's the very first question. Do you think most foreigners come to the Philippines for love or for something easier than back home?
I think it's for love because I know all some foreigners they want Filipino to make their wives because they say Filipina is a lot like they know all the chores, the all the things that they can do for the foreigner. And I mean for the foreigner that they want their wives that's more responsible. That's all.
Or, in other words, Filipinos are housewife material.
Yes.
Okay. In your opinion, is the Philippines a dream country for foreigners or does reality hit them hard after a while?
I think no, because
What do you mean no?
some foreigners they just here for to find their love of their life, just like that.
Okay.
That
Do you think the Philippines is a dream country for foreigners?
no.
No, you don't. So they just come here like to visit, to look for their wife, and then after that they will leave.
Yes, and bring their future wife to their country.
If a foreigner says the Philippines was a letdown, do you think the problem is the country or their expectations?
I think the country. Uh,
Interesting. Why?
Here in the Philippines, we have a lot of corrupt governments, and the main issue in here in this country is flood controls. That's all po.
Do some foreigners mistake Filipino friendliness for romantic interest?
Um, I think no. Because I know some foreigners they are much smarter than that. Because if they want to find their love of their life, they will find someone, and they won't make another friends to assume that they're flirting with them.
How about, do some Filipinas mistake foreigners' friendliness for romantic interest?
Yes. Yes, I think yes. Because they some Filipinas, not all po. Some Filipinas think that these foreigners might the chance of their to change their lives, to move to the other country, like that.
So if a foreigner is very kind to a Filipina, like smiling, just very kind like this, so the Filipina might think, oh, he probably likes me.
Yes.
Okay. How common is that here?
Um
Do you think is it very common or not really?
Not really po.
Not really.
Yeah.
But there are Filipinas
Yes po.
that thinks that. Okay. When foreigners complain about the Philippines, what complaints make you roll your eyes?
Change our appearance. Like for example, the guy wants to don't want us to cut our hair like that. They want to control us, and that's what makes me angry. Yes. To roll my eyes.
To cut your hair, and that's control. And other than that, what else?
Nothing else.
I think it's just the hair. Is that the reason why your hair is short?
Yes.
Oh, so you had foreigner before, like a boyfriend or what?
Before.
Really? Okay. I'm curious. How many foreigner boyfriends you had before?
Just one.
One. And where is he from?
China.
What are your names and ages?
Hello, I'm Angel Ken and I'm 20 years old. Hello guys, I am Francine Ray and I'm 20 years old.
Both 20 years old and both are very pretty. If a foreigner says the Philippines was a letdown, do you think the problem is the country or their expectations?
I think their expectation because some foreigner is they expect that Philippines is like the Philippines is like their country. Gan Yeah, I think because of their expectation po. And they yes, they expect too much po.
What are their expectations? What do you think?
I think ano, yeah, the attitude of people here. And
You think that they expect that the Filipinos are kind, hospitable, and then which is not correct or not.
not all Filipinos are like kind and respectable. Yes. Same.
So that's why it's not the country, it's their expectations. Just like they think that all Filipinos are kind, hospitable, but it's not.
Not all, but most of them.
Okay. Do some foreigners mistake Filipino friendliness for romantic interest?
What?
Do some foreigners mistake Filipino friendliness for romantic interest? If the Filipino is kind to them, smiling and everything, and then they think like, oh, she probably likes me.
I I think they are not expecting that naman po. Because we are all we Filipino people are kind. Yeah. Oh, no, sinabi last question, but not all.
So foreigners don't mistake it for romantic thing.
Yes po.
So they know that Filipinos are kind.
And respectful.
When foreigners complain about the Philippines, what complaints make you roll your eyes?
I think the behavior of the people that the foreigner is expecting that the for their money po. Yeah, for their money lang po.
When foreigners thinks that Filipinos are only after their money.
Yes, after their money.
If you hear a foreigner complaining about Filipino time, Filipino always late, Filipino always late, what's your opinion about that?
It's true. Yes, because we do it.
It's true. So,
Bye.
so you don't get mad or you don't roll your eyes because it's true?
Yes po.
What is your name and how old are you?
Hello, I'm Colleen. I am 18 years old.
Okay, Colleen, here's the very first question. Do you think most foreigners come to the Philippines for love or for something easier than back home?
I've seen us in social media, and some of the foreigners here say that Filipino people are easy to love because of their experiences. So I think it's for love. It's for love. Yes.
Most foreigners.
Most foreigners.
Do some foreigners mistake Filipino friendliness for romantic interest?
So basically, Filipino are naturally hospitality talaga. So parang so sometimes they misinterpret it to something that more parang
Romantic.
romantic way.
When foreigners complain about the Philippines, what complaints make you roll your eyes?
When they visit a one country, they must research about it, they must know about it. So it is very crucial to do a research, so
they don't have any like very high expectation to that one country. Yun lang.
Okay. Do you usually roll your eyes if you hear someone like, a foreigner complaining about, things in the Philippines?
Yes po, yes. Kasi, because it's something as a Filipino, and it's not, ano naman,
They should do research, just like what you said earlier. Okay. Well, anyway, thank you. Really, she's trying her best. Okay. You're still studying, be right?
po.
You're still studying.
Yes po.
What are you studying?
BS Hospitality Management.
Do you have a boyfriend?
No.
No. How long have you been single?
NS, parang since birth.
Oh, no boyfriend, sis. But come here. I'm not gonna. Just get running away from me. But anyway, thank you so much. We really appreciate your thank you, your time. I mean, really appreciate your time. Thank you so much. Hi everyone. Hopefully we earn your subscription. And also, if you want extra videos, please consider becoming a YouTube member. Thank you for watching and take care, everyone. Bye bye.
Beautiful reflection